Hello, Tech Savvy. Ready to tackle a tech challenge together? How to snooze an email in Gmail. Are you constantly swamped with emails but can't respond to them immediately? Or perhaps you receive important messages that you don't want to forget, but they aren't urgent right now. Gmail has a handy feature called Snooze, and it allows you to delay emails for a specific time, so they return to your inbox when you're ready. This video will guide you through the process of snoozing emails in Gmail, making your inbox more manageable and stress-free. Let's dive into the exact steps to help you get started. Open Gmail and sign into your account. Locate the email you want to snooze in your inbox. Hover over the email until a small clock icon appears on the right side. Click the clock icon. A list of snooze options will appear, offering preset times. Choose a preset time or click Select Date and Time to customize when the email returns. After selecting your desired date and time, click Save. Your email will be removed from the inbox and return at the chosen time. And that's how you snooze emails in Gmail. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tips on Windows. Thanks for watching.